Hi guys, today I've gotten a lot of things done here at Monea. I've mounted the spray hood and it looks actually pretty good. I'm surprised that it went that well. I guess it isn't a professional result, but I think I couldn't have done it any better right now with the skills I've got. So. And I've also managed to seal up the window, and hopefully it won't let any water in this time. Actually, it didn't take that much time. I managed to get some butyl tape in there, and then I sealed it up with Flex. So hopefully it will hold at least this season. Doesn't look that great, but I don't care about that right now. I just want to get the boat in the water. So, but I'm gonna show you the spray hood now. So this is how it looks. It isn't mounted the way it should be, but you will get some idea of how it looks anyway.